Hey Wolfpack, it's Carissa here. So what I'm going to do, just because I'm doing a live video in about 5 minutes this morning, I usually try and get it all set up and working about, my hair's going funny, working about 5 to 10 minutes before it's scheduled to go so that I know that everything's working. So what I'm going to do as I do that, or before I do that, is just go live in the group and show you live the steps that I take to set it up to share my screen when I'm doing like these live presentation screen record type things, because they're super powerful and I'm going to talk about them in more detail in the actual live training when I do that. So I'm probably going to be like, this is going to be one live video and then I'm going to have to swap it over to another live video from my computer. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but I'll figure it out. So I'm just going to flip my screen around and show you my computer. There we go. So cool, so I'm inside the group now. Now there's this software that you use, it's completely free. It's called OBS, which stands for Open Broadcasting Software. So I think all you need to do is just go do a Google search for OBS and you'll be able to download it. It doesn't matter, OBS download is probably what I would suggest typing in. Doesn't matter what computer you use, Open Broadcaster Software, obsproject.com, I think that's, yep, obsproject.com, that's what you want to do to download that software. So that's free. Once you've got that downloaded, then you will just open it up. There's a couple of different steps involved in this, so if you need to, if you're watching the replay of this video, like I'll save it as a replay, and if you need to just pause it and follow along, feel free. It was a little bit tricky, oh look, so you can see me on the screen now. It was a bit tricky to get used to start with when I first did it, but then I got used to it. So this is obviously what it looks like at the moment. It's using my webcam, so it's looking at me on the screen. You can use your computer webcam to go live as well. However, I find it sometimes lags quite a lot, and you could do things like you can put your logo on here. You can have lots of like different layers and things. So you know, if you wanted to have share your screen and yourself, you can do that. So I might hide. These are the different layers down here, or sources is what it says. So you've got scenes, I don't know what that is, but sources is what it shows on the screen. So image is the logo that I've uploaded there. So if I just click that little eyeball, that'll hide that. Now we've also got video capture device, which is, I'm pretty sure that's my webcam, and window capture, which is the screen. And then you can add, if you click this little plus sign here, it'll show whether you want to have basically whatever, but I always just use window capture because that'll be that'll show you your screen that you're showing. So you can have two windows though. So if I double click on that, it'll let me choose which screen I want to show you, which is just the Google Chrome one that it is currently. However, oh, actually no, it's that one that's got the OBS download on it. So that's the screen that I've got obviously open in the background there. So then if I click on a different tab up here, if I go into Facebook, it'll just, and I bring back up OBS, it'll show you that that's what it's going to show you is my Facebook screen. Obviously for the presentation I want to use the Google Drive file where I create my slides and things, video marketing and ads. So this is the presentation that I want to use. So I'll go back into OBS, and that's going to show you my whole screen. So that's the one that I want to use, so I click OK. But what's happened now is it's still, because this eyeball thing is still here, it's still showing me, so I can turn that off and it'll just show the screen. And then I need to resize this using the, oh whoops, that's, so I've got to select the window capture, and then I can click here and drag it around and resize it so that it fits nicely in the screen. So you just use the little red corner thingies and you drag that till this is what it's going to look like for you guys when I go live in the group. It's still too big. So you want it to kind of just fit nicely in there like that. Cool. And then what I can do if I want to is I can have me as well. Sometimes I will have myself in the little corner when I do live videos like this. Other times I won't. It depends on if I feel like I want to be or not, I suppose, or if I've got hair and makeup done or anything like that. So yeah, I can go live now in the group, and this is what you will see. So you're going to see this presentation, and you'll see me down in the corner there, which I will do today. So it's a little bit more personal, and I put some makeup on and whatever. And if I don't want myself there, or if you don't want yourself there, you can turn that off and not have yourself there, or I can have my logo there or whatever I want. So cool, so we're going to do that. So once you've got this ready to go live in the group, next you actually have to get the settings ready. So there's another step that you've got to follow. So this is through OBS, and then now I have got, I'm pretty sure I bookmarked, I just go into Google and you just search, I just search go live on Facebook. I think I've got this saved somewhere. Is that the right screen? No. If I do Google search for go live on Facebook, I'll get the link for this for you guys saved somewhere. There's this website here, live stream on Facebook, is that the one? I'm not sure, let me just, or broadcast live, I'll just click that. I don't think that's the right one, no that's not. Damn, I've got it saved on my laptop. OBS setup. Follow link. I think this might be the right one. Yeah, here it is. So this is on my friend Joss's website, which I can get you the link for. He's made a blog showing how to do it as well. So you basically go click on this button here, which is on his blog. So all you need is this this website, and then you can click here, and then you get to choose where you want the live video to go. So I want to choose in a group, and I want to type in Wolfpack Mastermind, and then I want to go next. Oh god, what's it said? Maybe because I'm already going live in there? I don't know what that is. Using broadcast on Facebook. Sorry guys, this has just changed a little bit from the last time I did it last week. For some reason. Maybe I'll have to just show you how to do it in a different group with this one, because I'm already live in this group. That's weird. I'll just test that. I'll just test it in my team Caruso thing, see if that works. No, oh my god, damn it. Okay, what is it doing? Give me a moment. I hate when things don't work. Who is this with? Go live on Facebook. Create live stream to Facebook. Stream Facebook. Live stream on Facebook. I may have to make another video showing you how to do this, because it's, I don't know what it's doing now. Go live Australia. Sorry, I can see that Denise and Jane are watching, and now I've managed to stuff it up. It should just have been, oh here it is, this is the one I wanted, sorry, okay. How to broadcast from your computer to Facebook Live. That's the one. This is the link that I wanted. So, I'll give you guys this link, because this is the one you'll want to do to set it up if you want to share your screen on Facebook Live. If you don't want to share your screen, if you just want to do it with your phone, that's way easier. But basically you just click this blue button that they've got here that said broadcast on Facebook Live, and then you choose your group. So hopefully this will work for me. choose that one. There's a fly buzzing around in front of the screen. Cool, yep, so this is how it should look. So what that's going to do now is it is going to bring up this little pop-up screen here, and you title what you want it to be. So the live training that I'm about to run in a minute is just video marketing and ads. So I will, oops, and then I've got to make that window smaller so I can, god damn it, find this window here. So video marketing is what I'll title the video, obviously. And now my other phone's ringing. Oh, everything's going on. Video marketing for business and on Facebook. And then I'll title it video marketing live training. And now here comes the fun part, is you've got to get this code automatically should be, for the first time you use OBS, you'll have to copy this code, the server URL, into your OBS settings down here. So you go into settings, and then you just, I generally just kind of leave all of this general stuff, but here where it says stream, you'll have to have custom streaming server selected, and you'll copy that code that's in that window. Where did it go? Too many windows. That code needs to be in the URL part up here, and then this stream key changes every single time you do a live video through OBS. This code will change, so you have to copy that and paste it into the stream key over here, and then you click OK. And then once that's done, then we go into OBS and click Start Streaming, and then that will start streaming from my computer. So there may be 2 live videos from me at once in this group in a minute when this starts. So we'll test that out in a second, see what happens. Start streaming, and then we'll go back onto this one and it'll fetch the video screen. So that's ready to go. So then what I would do is get the right window up that I want to share with you guys, which is this one. And then just go back into OBS to make sure that looks like how I want it to be, which it does. So that's what it's going to look like to you guys in the group when I go live. And then, oh God, too many bloody windows. And then I go back to this little one. And then once I'm ready to do that, then I just click go live, and then should be live in the Facebook group. So then I'll bring up, then I have to bring up, so yeah, okay, now I have another phone. This is the fun part. Now I'm going to have to, oops, I don't want that. Bring up Facebook to test that it's working, because when you go live from your computer, you can't see the comments. So I have to have the live stream going from my computer and then also look at my phone to see the comments. So it should be, this is going to be weird, it's going to have video marketing. So this is the live video that I've got here now. Yep, and I'm looking at my phone because the webcam's looking at me. This is bizarre. But that's working and I can see that, and so if I click on that I can see if people are commenting and I can hear it. Cool. So that's working, so I'll always just test if it works, and then I'll probably be live here as well. This is so weird. Okay, so I'm going to finish up this one and move on to the other one now. This is bizarre. Okay, cool. It all works though. So hopefully if you need to watch the recording, you can.